muscles, it is because sometimes I will tell only the important ones, because all other muscles you can find out, that is not the problem. Okay, and the muscles around the nose, and then oral muscles. What are the muscles around the nose? Nasalis. So nasalis, this is the nasalis muscle here. So this one is the nasalis. So this part, there is no muscle here. It is a cartilage. Okay, only this part, only this much is the nasalis muscle. So one is orbicularis oculi. Orbicularis oculi. So it is a circular muscle. Okay. So all this, the orbit, the eyelash, everything, it is orbicularis oculi. And then this is nasalis, and then procerus. So where is procerus? Procerus, it is just above here. Okay. And then depressor septi. So where is depressor septi? Depressor septi below this, the folding.
And the filtrum.
Here, in the center. Okay. Next, in the oral part, the two important muscles are orbicularis oris and buccinator. So totally in the face there are 4 large muscles. Which are those? So they are orbicularis oris, buccinator, and then orbicularis oculi. So 3 large muscles. Sorry, I told 4. Okay. So there are 3 large muscles. Yes. So other thing, you remember all these.
Doctor,
So in this
is not with him. Masseter.
Yeah.
It's with him, with him.
Masseter?
Yes, here. Is from the large muscles.
Yeah. Those comes in some other group.
Okay. Mastication.
Masticatory muscles. So that is what we can include everything, but so it will be more confusing for the students. So to avoid confusion, so that is why they divided into parts. You can't eat mandi, all food in one time. So morning mandi, afternoon some other food, and evening some other food. So whatever you like. So if you divide the food in 3 types, so you will be easily remember or easy to prepare, whatever it is. So you are convenient. So that is why they divided into groups. So in this group, you should remember minimum 5 muscles. Okay, not all. Any 5 muscles. Okay, for it is your choice. Okay. So one thing is how to remember these muscles. Here, depressor. See, there are easy muscles, I will tell. Orbicularis oculi, you know. Orbicularis oris, easy to remember. And then buccinator, it is easy. And then mentalis, you will tell, you mental fellow. Someone, you will scold your friends, hey, you mental. Easy to remember. Yes. The word is easy. Mental nerve.
Yes.
And then zygomaticus, it is easy. Major and minor. If you remember major and minor, zygomaticus. Finish. And then rest is your choice. This is my suggestion. Rest is your choice. So how you can remember? You can remember other names also. It is your choice. This is how you can remember. Okay? Then orbicularis oculi. So this muscle, it has 3 parts. So one is the muscle of the around the eye, and this is eyelash. So what is that? This is orbital part and this is palpebral part. Palpebral means I will touch, palpate. Okay, when you see the condition, so I will palpate the pulse. This is palpation. Okay, so that palpation means touch. So I can touch the eyelash. That is why it is called palpebral part. So what are the, and then another one is the lacrimal part. Three parts: palpebral, orbital and lacrimal. Okay, the orbital part, so what happens here? This is medial side and this is lateral side. Then there are two ligaments: medial palpebral ligament. So where it is attached? Medial palpebral ligament. So why it is palpebral? You can touch. Medial side, touch and ligament. So the upper part, see here the fibers, orbital fibers of the, they will come like this and they will attach. So whereas the lower fibers, they will go like this and they attach. Lateral ligament, medial palpebral ligament.
Medial means that it's close to the midline?
Yeah, sorry, this is lateral, this is medial. I am seeing from here okay, this is lateral palpebral ligament and this is medial ligament or ligament in the midline. Okay, so what is this action here? It closes the eyes very tightly. So when you go in the dust, in the sandstorm, you will close eyes very tightly. Okay, so that is the action of orbicularis oculi. Okay, then the palpebral part.
So tightly means smoothly.
Very tightly, very tight. Smoothly means when you sleep.
Okay.
Huh?
I got it.
Okay. So it's on the lateral palpebral ligament. So this is lateral palpebral ligament, and here medial palpebral ligament. So when the action is, it is closes the eye during sleep in the normal condition. So in the normal closure of the eyes. Okay. The lacrimal part, it is in the behind the lacrimal bone. So where you will see the lacrimal side. And then what is this condition? Drooping of the eyelids. So what happens? So when there is damage, when there is a damage of the nerve, so if there is any damage in the nerve, so what will happen? It will close like this. It will not open. It will not open automatically. So it will, the patient will come like this. I am not able to open the eye. So if you want to open the eye, you have to open from your hand. So that condition is called drooping of the eyelid. Okay? Or you can use in some other. He is very much interested. You can go like this in the city, in the mall. You go like this.
Yeah, to be close.
But they will do one phone call.
You pass a moment.
Okay? So this is the one medical condition. So where the patient unable, so it is unable to open the eyelash automatically. Okay. Then orbicularis oris. So the muzzle around the mouth. So what it is? So it has two parts, superficial and deep part. The deep part, again it has, just remember, so all the other things are same. So superficial also, they have a two group of upper muscle and two group of lower muscle. So where they are attached. So for us, the main important point is all parts passes laterally and fuses with medullus. What is medullus? The angle of the eye. Okay? Here. Just behind. This is the angle, and here inside there is a space, or there is a one bony space. There the muscle comes and attaches. Medullus. Okay? You got the point? The orbicularis oris, it has superficial and deep part, and they inserted all the muscles. They are attached, inserted medullus. Okay? Then, yeah, it covers. It is encircle means covering all the round. Encircle. Okay? So what is the action? It closes the lips and whistling, helps in whistling or smooth activities. Okay? And another condition. So what happens here? Paralysis of one half of the muscle. What is paralysis? The patient will come like this. So there is a paralysis of this side of the muscle, nerve, facial nerve. Facial nerve, paralysis of the other side. There is a muscle. Maybe a lower side, maybe lower side or the upper side, whatever it is. Okay? Then. So remember all these nerves. The nerve supply, it is divided into three parts. The upper part, and the middle zone or a middle part, and the lower part. What is this upper part? The upper part you are already know. Supraorbital, supratrochlear, and then palpebral part, nasal branch, and then external nasal. All these are the upper nerves. And then the middle zone. So what is there in the middle zone? The middle part. The middle is the zygomatic. Zygomaticus, temporal side, facial and nasal. So that is infraorbital. Infraorbital, lower part of the eye. So this is the orbit and infraorbital. And then in the lower zone you have the auriculo-temporal, buccinator and mental. So nerve supplying the mandible, and then the buccinator nerve and the auricle. These nerves you should remember. Okay? Yes. And then one more, the important feature of the facial nerve. So another feature is
لكن فرعون والله.
كلهم معصبين.
لا زعلان بالمرة.
هذا هنا خش ورشة.